Hello everyone, my name is Juman Al-Jamal. Welcome to English with JJ from the Education Corner. This lesson is about future continuous. In this lesson, we'll be talking about how to form the future continuous and when to use the future continuous. So, let's start. Future continuous affirmative.
Jana will visit us at 5 p.m.
I will be studying at 5 p.m.
I will be studying is a future action that will be in progress at that time. In progress means in the middle of doing something. Future continuous affirmative. Sentence 1. I will be studying at 5 p.m. I is the subject. Will is a modal verb. Be is verb to be. Studying is verb ing. How do we form the future continuous? In order to form an affirmative sentence in future continuous, you need subject plus will be plus verb ing. I will be studying at 5 p.m. You will be studying at 5 p.m. He will be studying at 5 p.m. She will be studying at 5 p.m. They will be studying at 5 p.m. We will be studying at 5 p.m. It's time to do exercise 1. You can find it in the description below. Future continuous negative.
Jana will reach us at 5 p.m.
I won't be waiting for her at 5 p.m.
Future continuous negative. Sentence 1. I won't be waiting for her at 5 p.m. I is the subject. Want is will plus not. Be is verb to be. Waiting is verb ing. How do we form the future continuous? In order to form a negative sentence in future continuous, you need subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing. The contracted form of will plus not is won't. I will not be studying at 5 p.m. or I won't be studying at 5 p.m. You will not be studying at 5 p.m. or you won't be studying at 5 p.m. He will not be studying at 5 p.m. She will not be studying at 5 p.m. or he won't be studying at 5 p.m. She won't be studying at 5 p.m. They will not be studying at 5 p.m. or they won't be studying at 5 p.m. We will not be studying at 5 p.m. or we won't be studying at 5 p.m. It's time to do exercise 2. You can find it in the description below. Future continuous. Question.
Will Jana be visiting us at 5 p.m.?
Yes, she will.
Future continuous. Question. Question 1. Will Jana be visiting us at 5 p.m.? Will is a modal verb. Jana is the subject. Be is verb to be. Visiting is verb ing. How do we form the future continuous? In order to form a question in the future continuous, you need will plus subject plus be plus verb ing, and don't forget the question mark in the end. So, we move the will to the beginning of a sentence and capitalize the W. Then, we write the subject in a small letter. Don't forget to add the question mark in the end. Will I be studying at 5 p.m.? Will you be studying at 5 p.m.? Will he be studying at 5 p.m.? Will she be studying at 5 p.m.? Will they be studying at 5 p.m.? Will we be studying at 5 p.m.? It's time to do exercise 3. You can find it in the description below. Future continuous, the use. 1. Exact time in the future. In the middle of a process. I will be sleeping at 3 p.m., which means I will go to sleep before 3 p.m. So, I am in the middle of the process of sleeping, and this action will happen in the future, so it's a future continuous. 2. An interrupted action. I'll be sleeping when you arrive. Arriving is the interrupted action. Sleeping is in progress, and it will happen in the future, so it's a future continuous.